So this video is going to be a bit all over the place, but we're still on the scx10, the Jeep I'm taking to Spain. Now, in there I have the stock Axial wheels and tyres, the BF Goodrich crawlers. Now they are the R35 compound and I really do like the tyre. So I'm going to take those off the rims. So I'm just using the boil in the pan method, and I'm going to boil them so I can heat the glue. I've just put that on there just to weight them in, because as you can see they float to the top. And I'm going to seat those into these steel rims, which should then give me a little bit more weight in the corners. I'm happy with these, but I don't know. If I could take 2 sets of wheels to Spain, then I've got a bit of variety. Now originally I did have these stock scx10 2 BF Goodrich tyres on them rims, but I really don't believe they're an R35 compound, because they just slip everywhere. You get on the rocks and it just spins. They just don't seem to get any grip. So in my personal opinion, these are dog turd. So I'm going to get shut of those and swap those tyres out, like I say, using the boil in the pan method. So let's have a little look see at these. Been in for about 45 minutes so far. They might be melted looking at those, but that's just to weight them in there. So okay, let's just pull one of these out. Started to soften the glue yet. The heat eventually will soften the glue, where you can just it's slowly coming apart in places. Right, I'm going to give that maybe another 20 minutes before I check that again. Reason being, I don't want to rip the tyres. Now the rims feel fine, they're coping with the heat. So yeah, put them back in for another 20 minutes, half an hour. Now this is the boiling method for removing your tyres off glued rims. So I've just had another 20 minutes. Very, very soft. I haven't got the oven up super high, the hob. I'm just letting it try and do in its own time, if you will, rather than rushing it by boiling it too hot straight away. So you can hear a lot of glue cracking now. Ouch. It's only like bits. Now, it is ideal to wear some gloves when doing this, in all honesty. You can see the tyres are just nicely coming apart from the rim. Like I say, I'm going to give that a bit longer. Not too much longer, actually. It looks to be coming alright. I'm just going to continue now, just picking at these, and then I may just chuck them back in the pan for another 10 minutes. So we have success. All in all, it's took about an hour and 15 minutes simmering, and they've come off lovely. No tears in the rubber or anything. Like I say, if it wasn't for coming off the rim, then I'd just put it back in against more. I haven't like forced the rubber off the plastic where the glue is, just in case I rip the tyre. I've just kind of let it all fall off itself. I'm going to let these cool down now. I might change the foams in these, but I were happy with the squishiness. The only thing I don't like with these is there's no weight and they're vented. So I'm going to put them on the steel rims. But yeah, that's basically how you remove your RC wheels which have been glued onto your rims. Now whether you've got a buggy or a crawler, it's pretty much the same principle.